That was awesome!
Alright, it's, what is that? December 8th right now. Dogs are excited. I'm excited. Everybody here is excited. So the last 2 days we've been having some geese coming down on some fields back kind of about a mile behind our house. And we've been watching them. And today we set out and we got permission on the property. So we got decoys. The season ended today. Today was the last day of the season, but tomorrow starts the conservation season. So we can only kill snows and blues, and we can kill as many as we want, and use e-calls. Basically, we can just go crazy on them. I mean, that's the plan. There's probably, I don't know, there's probably around 15 to 30, I would say, 1,000 geese out there right now. And we got a few videos of them today. So we scouted them all day, and we got a spot we think we're gonna set up. So we're gonna go through all these decoys, and they're just half shell, right? This bag is just half shell, and we kind of made some things to get them off the ground. We're gonna be using pop-up blinds. There's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6 or 7 of us out there hunting, and hopefully we can get on them. We'll see y'all out there. We're gonna go out there in about. Jacob went to go pick up some more decoys, so he should be back in a few hours. And once he gets back, it'll be about 8 o'clock, and we're gonna go out there, set up, and then we'll come back in the morning and hopefully get on them.
Even saying a word. Sometimes you need to let it all go and hold what you got in your hand. Sometimes you need to go with the flow from a bottle or glass or can. Yes, sometimes you need to wash down the weight of the world and watch it drown. And sometimes just one drink won't do. Sometimes you need to. Got a pocket full of crash and a wallet full of burn, a heart full of living that my head won't learn. Wish I had another chance with the girl I knew, but the one she gave me was the one I.
We just got out here. It's about 8 o'clock right now. Got the killing dog with us, but we got the Ranger with all our decoys, layout blinds on a trailer. Drove down the turn row, and we got them, setting them up about 60 yards away from the turn row, kind of out in the field. So we're gonna carry everything out there, get everything set up, and just take our time. It's still kind of early. It's not late tonight, so we got all night. Hopefully we chose a good spot.
Sometimes you may not like where things in your life have gone to, and you may not want to.
Oh yeah, we're not in your truck.
Alright, well, it is 6 o'clock? Yep, 6:05. We can shoot in about 30 minutes or so. So we're gonna go out there, everything's already set up. We just gotta go out there, get in the blinds, and load the guns, and that's it. So hopefully we can get a bunch of snows on the ground.
Like I really
have some fun.
Excited about it.
When they're close, but I mean, they're
That was my bow. That's it. Have you?
Yeah.
Is it good footage or no?
Do what?
I said, like, how's the filming back there? Would you rather get up here?
It is a little further than I would like it, but it's definitely easier filming back here.
You can come if you
Oh my
want.
gosh, look at all the geese coming.
Alright, sounds good.
All right.
That was awesome!
Hey, get him, Greg. Greg. Hey, Caden Bird.
One left. Low.
Two of them. Kill him.
One in the decoy.
I'm gonna run at it.
Oh, it's playing down here.
Huh?
My car just started playing.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's not even a speck on that.
Nope. Who knows? Oh. So as you can see, we just moved over here. We were sitting out in the decoys, and we've started to had a few flare on us lately. So we just got up, moved all our blinds across up against this ditch, and as you can see, I guess it worked.
Kill it.
Good shot in that last one.
That last poke, that was a freaking poke.
Yeah, it's a long ways. You gotta lead them.
Yeah. Should I go grab him?
What is it?
But we're gonna shoot it if it comes over.
I'll say
Shoot these two. Never mind. That's me. My bad. Kill it. Hit it. Watch it.
You gotta be hurting.
Just a little out of range.
He's gonna go down. Probably in the midst of all those.
I shot him for sure. No doubt.
Looks like I need to be shooting.
I heard pellets just.
I know.
Oh, don't move back to the north.
Cross that tower line.
Oh, and they split.
Shot.
Here we go.
Freaking kidding me? Let's go home. Alright, let's go home. We'll come back tonight and hunt them, okay? Let's get at it. It is. Number 28 for the day.
Drink won't do. Sometimes you need to.
Alright, well, it is about 12 o'clock, or I don't know, 11 o'clock. Just packing everything up, about to head out of here. Ended up with 30 geese. That's
31.
31. That's pretty impressive. That's the best I've ever done.
No, 32.
Maybe 32.
32, because I had 30 after I picked those two
Okay,
up.
we ended up with 32 after picking up. We killed most of them out of that one big group, and then after that we had a few coming in here and there.
Just leaving my gun.
It was pretty good. I think Jacob and Caden may come back this evening, so hopefully they'll kill a few, but we'll see. Good hunt. Make sure to like and subscribe. Got some more videos coming y'all's way.
Yeah, I guess you're right.